Jim Walker, Chief Economist at Asianomics Group. There was very little data out this week, so nothing much on that front, but of course all the attention is on the trade war between the United States and China. Obviously we've got new tariffs in place from the US, and China has retaliated, and it'll just keep going. The main focus next week is going to be on the Fed rate decision, which will take place on the 27th of September. Everybody expects there to be a rate rise. There will be a rate rise next week. We would expect that that's maybe the last rise that we'll see this year, because I think there's nervousness growing in the markets about the potential impact of interest rates on debt in the system. And if the data come in slightly weaker than people are expecting, I would think that the Fed might well pause until 2019, which would be good, in that the dollar would weaken on the back of that and emerging markets would get some reprieve. Indonesia next week will also be raising interest rates rather unnecessarily, but they need to defend their currency. The key thing to look at long term is just where the US economy is going and how people are reacting to the interest rate rises that have taken place already. We think one more rate rise this year, possibly only 2 next year, and maybe even it'll be June before they raise again. There's no sign of a recession at the moment in the US. All of our indicators would say that we're home free in 2019, let alone 2018. But 2020 is a much more tricky year to call, so I think that's going to be the real focus.